Mealtimes are some of the most enjoyable moments in our lives, bringing joy through social interaction as well as nourishment. But many older people find mealtimes challenging, especially if they're living with a condition which impacts their physical or mental ability.
Another piece, Jack?
They might have swallowing difficulties, poor eyesight, or they may simply not feel like eating. Providing mealtime assistance is one way to maximise an older person's nutritional intake.
That's it.
It also plays a crucial role in promoting their dignity and respect. In Altura Learning's course, Providing Mealtime Assistance,
Would you like a glass of water?
we explain the different levels of support that staff can offer to enhance mealtime experiences.
That's it.
We explore how staff can improve the dining experience by preparing the environment before the meal and by understanding the principles of proper serving and assistance during the meal. And we explain the importance of monitoring a person during and after their meal to ensure they're receiving an appropriate level of food and fluid intake.
Why don't you have another bite?
For the older person in your care, mealtimes could be the most important part of their day. Providing mealtime assistance on Altura Learning.